Business Bites, powered by Sagicor.
Hello, I'm Cody and Barrett with your business updates for today. Following concerns raised by the Independent Fiscal Commission, IFC, that the nearly 10% GDP deflator used in the government's budget projections may be too high, Finance Minister Fable Williams responded during the national budget debate.
For context, Madam Speaker, the Consumer Price Index, or CPI, measures the change in the cost of living for consumers. This figure includes the cost of imports and the locally produced goods, while the GDP deflator measures how the prices of everything produced within Jamaica has changed.
The IFC had argued that reconstruction spending has not yet fully ramped up following the hurricane, and that price pressures may therefore not be as high as projected. However, the finance minister pointed to rising construction costs and the differences between the GDP deflator and the consumer price index as part of the government's reasoning.
I want to call the Commissioner's attention to the fact that there is a lot of reconstruction activities happening all over Jamaica on the part of businesses and private people. Madam Speaker, the bottom line is CPI and GDP deflator are related, but not the same thing.
She also defended the government's projections.
In the aftermath of an event like a Category 5 hurricane, where domestic production in certain areas has been decimated with scarcity influencing price of locally produced goods, and there's a surge in demand for reconstruction from citizens and businesses, we can have a wider than usual variance between CPI and the GDP deflator. It is not abnormal or suspicious.
While acknowledging the IFC's comments on historic reconstruction delays and capital underspending, Williams said those trends cannot be used as the benchmark for economic projections.
If our GDP deflator projection rests entirely on government-executed reconstruction, I would be standing here on weaker ground, but it does not. The primary driver of near-term reconstruction price pressure will be the private sector by way of insurance-financed hotel refurbishment, household rebuilding, and foreign direct investment in damaged commercial infrastructure.
And that's it for the Business Bites today. I'm Cody and Barrett.